There is no best time for you to take a trade on USDJPY other than now, okay? And that position have to be a sell trade, okay? Now, if you look at this very area, we've seen market approach this very area of important resistance, and right now I am expecting the market to come back to the downside, and that is what I'll be talking about in today's video with reference to the 1 week chart, which is very critical in this very analysis. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to make you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. And check the channel for other Forex videos, updates, and technical analysis. Right here on the USDJPY chart, we've seen a significant increase in the market to the upside after the Fed interest rate decision, which Fed kept interest rates unchanged at 5.50% basic points. And right now, the market is at this very point. So what I am expecting is for the market to come back to the downside. If you look at this very structure critically, it is covered that the markets have actually grabbed liquidity a little bit from this very point to the downside. So we have a very important level of resistance right at this very area. So if you look at this, there is a little movement to the upside from this very point for liquidity grab for the market to come back to the downside. It has already happened. So what you need to do on this very chart, USDJPY, is to pay attention to selling the market. Okay, so from here, market is going to come back down. So if I go a little bit upward before I come back to the 4-hour chart, if you look at the 1 week, these have been a very important and serious critical resistance. Look at it. You see, the markets have been resisted here for over 2 times. So we have the first one at this very point, market come back to the downside. We have the second one here, market come back to the downside. And then right now, we are at this very point right now. I am expecting that market should come back to the downside. Now, one thing that is also very important here is that the market was moving upward, and we move from this very area to the upside, and then we see retracement, market create this very upward movement, come back down, could not create a new low, which means the market is moving upward. So I am expecting that this market move upward to create a new high, which the market have done with this very spike right here, and then a little movement to the downside before continuation to the upside. So what I am expecting right now on this very chart is for the market to come back down, because that have to happen before the market will begin to move significantly to the upside. So from this very price level of this area of 153.18, and where the market is right now, within this very zone, expect the market to retrace to this very area of support before the next move to the upside on this very chart. This is the 1 week chart, USDJPY. And if I switch back to the 4-hour chart, there is something very important so that you can take advantage of this very short opportunity or sell opportunity that is coming into the market right now. Now, in one of my last videos, I talked about this very trade that before you can place a sell position, we have to see the market come back down and cross this very level of important support. And if that happens, then that means market is going to begin to move back to the downside. And that is what we've seen right now. If you look at this very area, this is a very strong support for the market, and this very zone is a very strong support as well. So market come back down, break the support that was resist the market for coming back to the downside, and then right now we're seeing this movement to the upside. What I am expecting from next week, as today mark the end of this trading week, is for the market to come back to the downside on USDJPY. We should see a significant decline in the price of the market to the downside before the next move upward. So expect this market to move from this very area. We have a very significant level of supply at this very area, coupled with this level of important resistance at this very point. So markets from here should come back to the downside. So I'm expecting from this very point right here for the market to enter here and then this is a very sweet, nice sell point for the market to come back to the downside in line with what we've seen on the 1-day chart and also the 1-week chart. So a sell position will be nice at this very point to the downside in the next week of trading on USDJPY. This is very critical. Please pay attention to this analysis and see whether it applies with what you are looking out for on USDJPY right now, and prepare for the next week of trading. Support this channel with a like and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification to get notified when next I upload a new video. Enroll with broker. Check the description. I have a recommended broker for you right in the description of this very video. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.